Today is a great day to draw. In today's video, I am drawing one of Omari's allies who helps him on his adventure to get this bounty off of his head. And her name is Lilac Oliver. Lilac, just like Omari, is a chaos user, and she's able to create black holes to teleport anywhere that she's been before. In this story and in this world, there are three types of people. There are people who use this magical power called chaos. There's the citizens, and there are people who hate chaos and fight against it. And so right now I'm designing the characters in the story that actually use this magical energy called chaos in this world, and Lilac is one of them. You can also see in the time lapse that I wrote a little character description of Lilac Oliver. This helped me get the theme and mood right for this character before I started drawing and as I started to design the character. I wanted to make sure that this character looked like a mysterious character, someone who is a little shady and at the same time powerful. Like Omari, she's a bounty hunter. This story takes place in Starfall, in this fantasy medieval world, and I want to make sure that all my characters look like they belong in the same world. And so I have this reference up of for all my characters, I have a reference board of different clothing and different references I use for these character designs. But yeah, like I said, she's a bounty hunter alongside Omari, and in this story she is helping him with his mission to get a 50 million bounty off of his head. And what's important when you are drawing a character, and especially a lot of characters, is sketching until you find a design that you really like, because this isn't the first design I came up with for Lilac. Here are a couple of pages I did in my sketchbook of Lilac and what she might have looked like in the beginning, but I knew I could do better, and I knew I could come up with something that looks good and looks better than this, that compliments Omari, makes it feel like she belongs in the same world as him. And I wanted a theme of a courier turned bounty hunter, and so that's why she has this big pouch on her hip, and also a sword on her hip as well to make her feel like a bounty hunter alongside Omari. So in this world, the bounty hunters of Starfall fight and hunt chaos monsters alongside humans for a bounty. And I'm really excited to show you how I'm designing these monsters and these beasts that these people fight in this world. But in the background here, I am just rendering as best I can and trying to get a finished look for this character illustration. For the book, for the illustrated novel, I just want to make sure that I have a clear character portrait, character illustration for some of the main characters of the story. I'm not going to draw every single character in the story, but just some of the main characters, some of the people that are the most important to the story. And Lilac, Omari's friend, is one of those important characters. If you want to see the actual design of my characters from like start to finish, let me know. And let me know if you have any other questions that I can help you with and answer, so that you can draw your own characters like this. Because in this video, I just show the rendering process basically. But yeah, if you want to see the rendering, if you want to see the character design process from start to finish, let me know. I had a lot of fun rendering this piece, and I just want all my characters to look and feel like they belong in the same world. They have the same cohesive style, and they all fit well together in a character lineup. After I get done with drawing some more characters, I'm going to explore the actual world that these characters live in and explore painting environments and drawing scenes and environments of the country that they reside in, called Starfall. And I really want to explore a more medieval fantasy style. My inspiration for that is like Legend of Zelda, stuff like that, and just like medieval Europe in general. And so I want to try and like push the environment as best as I can. I want this environment to showcase that there's this magical energy called chaos that has changed the world in mysterious and different ways. And I want to make sure that I try and make it as exciting as possible. And that's because I want Omari's adventure to be exciting. I want his adventure to feel exciting. And a part of that is making environments that feel exciting to explore and draw as well. So overall, Lilac was a fun character to draw, and like I said, she's a courier turned bounty hunter, and she's helping Omari on this quest to rid his bounty. So I'm excited to just explore more characters, share more with you, and yeah, let me know if you have any more questions. This is the final image of Lilac, the final character design, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. This is just the beginning of this project, so peace.